Good morning, Three Oak. Three Oak, good morning, everyone. I think I am audible and visible to everyone. You all can see me and hear me, isn't it? Yes, a very good morning to everyone. Shorish, switch off your front camera, beta. Shorish, switch off your front camera. Otherwise, my voice and my photo will not be clear to everyone. Okay? Yes. Yes, how you all are? How you all are? Abhimanyu, switch off your front camera. Abhimanyu, switch off your front camera. Yes. Fine. Everyone, switch off your front camera. Yes, you all are fine at home, isn't it? But you have to say me one more thing, whether you are practicing your maths or not. I know you are enjoying at home, but at least 2 hours in the morning and 2 hours in the evening you have to practice the maths. You are doing, na? You all are doing the same? In the morning you will practice math magic and in the evening you will practice composite maths. Okay? Yes. Yes, very good. This type of gesture I want from your side, that you are very quick to answer my questions. Very good. Really, I love this. Very good. All of you. Yes, this type of cooperation I want from your side. Okay. That means in the morning you are practicing maths 2 hours and in the evening also you are practicing 2 hours maths. Okay. So, with a Mac, Ayush, what is Mac? M-A-K, Mac. Ayush, what is Mac? I am not able to understand. What is the meaning of Mac? M-A-K, Mac. Ayush Mondol, Mac, what is the meaning of Mac? Okay, now come to the math magic. Today is Monday and we will do math magic. Okay. See, up to page number 64 you have completed, isn't it? The curved edges and the straight edges. You have written 3 examples of the curved edges as well as the straight edges, isn't it? And for this curved and straight edges, I think it is clear to everyone. Okay. Yes. Now come to connection lost. Why this is happening? Yes, Three Oak. There was a technical problem from our side. Huh? Okay, let's start our maths. Quickly take out your Math Magic page number 64. Page number 64. Take out your Math Magic page number 64. Take out the Math Magic page number 64. Take out Math Magic page number 64. Now I am audible and visible to everyone. Now I am audible and visible to everyone. 3 Oak. Okay. See, I am reading the activity, you go through it. Okay. This is activity time. Above the activity time, we all have completed that one. That means the examples you have to write for or the straight edges, the examples of the some of the things with curved edges, and you have also written the examples which have both straight as well as curved edge, both they have. Okay. Now I am reading activity time. You just go through it. Take a rectangular sheet of paper. That means take a paper, but it will be in rectangle shape. Okay, rectangle, not square. That means the length will be bigger than the breadth. Then count its corner. When you will count its corner, how many corners will it have? The page will have how many corners? Quickly write in the answer. How many corners will the page will have? Yes, exactly. It will be 4. There will be 4 corners, isn't it? The rectangular page, it will have 4 corners. Now fold one of its corner. Now just fold one of its corner as shown in the book. As it is shown in the book, you fold one of the corner. Okay. Now you have to answer this. The first one, how many corners does it have now? Quickly count and tell me, how many corners does it have now after folding? After folding one side of the corner, how many corners now you can identify of the rectangular page, How many corners can you see? Write the answer in the chat box. 3, no 3 is wrong, Abhimanyu. Ankon is writing 4, no 4 is also wrong. 2, no 2 is also wrong. Look properly and tell me. Look it properly and tell me. This is page number 64. Activity time. This is activity time and we are writing answer 3A. How many corners does it have now? Sanklan is writing 5, Ankon is writing 6. No, when you are folding the page, it has 5 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 3 corners previously, and when you have folded, after folding 2 more corners you are getting. Okay, so it is 5. Write the answer in the book. Write the answer in the book. It has 5 corners. It has 5 corners. Now answer number B. First one, see. How many corners will you get by folding 2 corners? Now similarly, when you will fold 2 corners, it is in the book it is given only 1 corner is folded, isn't it? Now if you are folding 2 corners, then how many more corners or extra corners you will get? Sanklan is writing 6 and others, write it down. How many more corners you are getting? Yes, it is 6 corners. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So when there are 2 corners you are folding, you are getting 6 more corners. So you will write by folding two corners, by folding two corners, we are getting, by folding two corners, we are getting 6 corners. 6 corners. Now, second one. If you are folding 3 corners, if you are folding 3 corners, then how many you are getting? If you are folding 3 corners, yes, it is 7. So, when you are folding 3 sides of the corner, you will get 7 corners, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Yes, you all are correct, it is 7. So, the same thing you will write that by folding 3 corners, we are getting 7 corners. We are getting 7 corners. We are getting 7 corners. Ayush, switch off the front camera. Ayush Mondol, switch off the front camera. Now come the next one, third one, 4 corners. That means from the 4 sides you are folding the paper. The rectangular paper when you are folding from the 4 sides. So, how many corners will you get? How many corners will you get when you are folding from the 4 sides? Yes, when you are folding from the 4 sides, it is 8. So, you will write the answer that this is answer 3, that by folding 4 corners, we are getting 8 corners. By folding 4 corners, we are getting 8 corners. 4 at the top and 4 in the bottom, isn't it? 4 at the top and 4 at the bottom. Okay. So, by folding 4 corners, we are getting 8 corners. Now, come to the next one, question number C. Can you fold this paper in such a way that it has only 3 corners? Can you fold it? Just think and tell me the answer. Is it possible that you are folding so that it has only 3 corners? You are allowed only 2 folds. That means you can fold only two foldings you can do for the page, but the corners should be 3. What shape will you get? So, think and tell me, if you are folding it from the 3 sides, if you are folding it from the 3 sides, if you are folding it from the 3 sides, then if you are folding it from the 3 sides, means if you are folding 2 times, then what it will be? You all are writing no. Sanklangin is writing triangle. Listen, the answer will be yes, it can have 3 corners. Okay, it can have 3 corners by folding it twice. That means the rectangular page, when you are folding 2 times, it will be folded and you will get one triangle which has 3 corners, okay, which has 3 corners. So this paper can be folded twice to make it a triangle. That means the answer is correct. The answer is correct. Okay, this activity you will do it at home. You can get, suppose this is the paper, okay, suppose this is the paper, and when I am folding like this way, this is the rectangular paper, I am folding it like this, okay, this is one fold, and this one I am folding it, this one I am folding it here, then you will get a triangle, you will get a triangle, okay. So answer C will be answer C. Question number 3, answer C. Question number 3, answer C, it will be yes, it can have 3 corners by folding it twice, okay, and the shape thus obtained is a triangle. The shape thus obtained is a triangle. Okay. Now repeat the activity with a square sheet of paper. So this is the homework to you. You will repeat the same activity with a square sheet. Previously you were doing with rectangular page, now you will do with the square page. Now come to question number 5 in page 65. Page 65, question number 5. Can you fold all the corners of the square sheet in such a way that the number of corners remains unchanged? That means you have to fold the side of the corners in such a way that the corners remain the same. That means there are 4 corners of a square, you have to fold it like this way so that it will have only 4 corners. Is it possible? Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. You can fold all the corners of the square sheet without changing the number of corners, okay. Without changing the number of corners, you can fold the square sheet, but this is not possible in the rectangular sheet. This activity you do it at home, then it will be clear to you. Now come to the next one. Look at the following table and tick the names of the things that have corners. Also count the number of edges and corners in each of them. You have to give a tick mark that whether they have the corners or not, and you have to write the total number of edges and number of corners they have. This also you will write in the book. This also you will write in the book. This is page number 65. This is page number 65. See, the name of the things are given, and this side you have to write whether yes or no, that they have the corners or not. Then you have to write number of edges, and then you will write number of corners. Since my board is small, that's why I am not writing the heading, I am just started. See, the one is written die. It is not die, it is dice, isn't it? It is dice. You all are playing with the dice as Ludo. Whether it has corners, write in the chat box whether it has a corner. 3 Oak, write in the chat box whether the dice has the corners. Is it? Yes. So it is already written yes. Now how many edges? How many edges? How many edges it has? No, Sankalan. Yes. The number of edges for dice is 12 and number of corners is given 8. So, the dice, it has corners, it has 12 edges and it has 8 corners. Now, the second one is ball. Ball. Ball, it has corner. Ball has corner? No. The ball, it has no corner. Yes, the ball has no corner. So, number of edges, edges, it has edges. Ball has edges. 1. Ball has no edge and no corners, that means 0, 0. So, a ball has 0 corners and 0 edges. Third is eraser. Eraser is an example of cuboid. So, it has corners, same as cuboid, same as cube, okay. Eraser is same as cube, that is dice. So, number of edges is 12 and number of corners are 8. Number of edges are 12 and number of corners are 8. Then egg. Egg. Egg has no corners and egg has same as ball, 0 corners and 0 edges. 0 corners and 0 edges. Then sheet of paper. Sheet of paper. Sheet of paper is an example of rectangle. Sheet of paper has an example of rectangle. So, it has corners. Yes, it has corners. How many edges and how many corners? Yes, you all are correct. It is 4, 4. There are 4 edges and 4 corners. Sheet of paper is an example of rectangle. Okay. So, it has 4 edges and 4 corners. See, dice, ball, eraser, egg. This is the example of 3-dimensional shape. That means it has 3 dimensions. Whereas sheet of paper, it has 2-dimensional. So, it is an example of 2-dimensional shape. That means it has only length and breadth. Whereas the ball, the dice, eraser, they have 3 dimensions, length, breadth and height. That is why they are called as 3-dimensional. Okay. Yes. Now come to the next question. In the following figures, tick those which have corners. Do these pictures have curved lines? No, if they have the corners, how can it be possible they have the curved lines, isn't it? But here 2 pictures are that which have the curved lines. Okay. They have curved line as well as the corners also. So, first of all, give a tick mark which have corners. The semicircle, okay. So, give a tick mark in the semicircle, it has corner. Then the next one, the rhombus, the square type, it has also corner. Then third one, the shape, it is joining, but it is joining in the point. So, that is the corner, and the above one is curved. So, this picture, it has both straight line, means curved lines and the corner. Then third is the stairs. So, this 4 pictures have corners. These 4 pictures have corners. Okay. 1, 2, 3 and 4. These 4 pictures, they have corners. Whereas, the picture like C, then the oval shape and the circle, it has no corners. Yes, Shoris, it is correct. Yes, it is correct. Sankalan is also correct. Now come to the next question. Using only straight lines, can you draw a figure which has no corners? Is it possible with the straight line? Can you draw any picture that have no corners? See, using straight line it is not possible to draw a figure that has no corners, because whenever the straight line they are joining, they have the corners. At the corners only the two lines joining, the two straight lines are joining. Okay. Arindam, for what thing you are giving thumbs up? Arindam, for what reason you are giving thumbs up? Arindam Bhagat. You are in the class. Do your class. Don't give this type of emojis and this type of pictures. If you don't want to do the class, then no need to do it. Just disconnect and go away. No need to do the class. Okay, 3 point. Today up to this only we will start our next topic, that is tangram, in our next class. So for today up to this you practice it, and whatever we have done you do it again. Okay, especially the corners which have like ball, eraser, dice, these things you try to draw at home and then see that how many corners and how many edges they have. That's all for today. Bye all of you.